What's up guys? Welcome back to another unboxing video. For this unboxing video, we have VZ101951. Now, this is our Z06 style spoiler, and it only fits our Z06 C8 Corvette. Now let's go ahead and get this open so you guys can get a better look at it. Now, just like our other spoiler unboxing video, which is up right now if you want to go check it out on the Vicrez YouTube channel, this one is fully aluminum, which I feel like the build quality on is just amazing. And it has a really nice finish. Once I get it open, you'll be able to see it. And honestly, to me, the finish on this kind of reminds me of carbon flash metallic. If you've ever had our carbon flash metallic vinyl, you would know exactly what I'm talking about. And if you want to see the type of finish it has before buying, you can go check out our carbon flash metallic vinyl before purchasing this. Now, as you guys can see and hear, it's full aluminum and it's very durable. And it also comes pre-painted in carbon flash metallic. If you want to see what the finish looks like, you can go check out our carbon flash metallic on the Vicrez website before purchasing this, if you want to see how it would match your build. Now, this also does come with included hardware for mounting, and it's a fairly simple install. Now, it comes with 2 buffer pads, which are also weather pads. This will help reduce weather seepage from where you have to drill your holes. Then you'll have your 2 mounting points, and then your included hardware for installing. Now guys, if you would like to see an install video for this one, please like and comment. And if you want to see more videos just like this one, please make sure to subscribe and like for more.